Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video. This time I've already reviewed the Spigen rugged armor, so if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. I've just finished reviewing this, a very thin minimalist case. I'll leave a link at the end of this video as well for this one, so stay tuned. But today we're going to be reviewing this official Huawei Car kit case for the P20 Pro. Let me just take this cover off and get ready to put into this. Now, I will leave links in the description below where I picked this up from, so definitely check that out. This is an official Huawei product for the P20 Pro, as you can see, and you get this is smart navigation, strong magnetic connection, one-handed operation. Show you around this box. So you get a car mount, the case, user guide, and customized magnetic mount, matching case, multi-purpose case, ideal for both in-car and everyday use. I won't go into that too much, but you can pretty much see the packaging. It's really nice packaging. I think this cost me around £30, and it's in black as well, just so you know. So it's an official Huawei product. So let's take this out. As I said, links will be in the description below where you can pick this up from. But really nice quality packaging. Let's move that out of the way. And here's the actual case itself in here. Here's the actual car holder, if I can pull it out. It's quite jammed in there. Let's push it from underneath. Put that on the table. And here's the user guide. I'm not sure what use this is actually going to be. We don't really need this. Let's have a quick look. So compatibility works with the following types of vents. You can see the 3 types of vents it works with. And it doesn't work with these types of vents. So pause it, check it out for yourself. If you're not sure, check the vents in your car. So let's move that out of the way. Let's have a quick look around this case now. It's a very hard plastic shell, but it's got a nice sort of soft touch feel to it. Got this kind of little car icon in the back. That's where the magnet is. Bit of Huawei branding. You got this writing here. It's actually kind of not printed on, it's stamped into the case. I'll try and read it for you. Accessories designed for P series, Huawei Technologies Co. and Shenzhen. Triple camera f 1.16 whatever. Anyway, there's a cutout there. Top and bottom is exposed, so you can see inside. Inside feels soft. It's not a suede material, but it's a soft plastic. You can just see the outline there of the hidden magnetic plate, but it's nice. It's built into the case. The sides, they're hard plastic as well, but they're frosted, so kind of got a dark grey look to them, both these sides. The back is a solid color. Dedust it, slip this case on. It should go in pretty easy. There you are, no problems, goes in perfectly. And you can have a look around the case now. So the top's completely open. You can see the thickness of those corners there, gives you an idea of how much sort of protection you're going to get. Big cutout here for the volume rocker and the power button. Bottom's completely open as well, as you can see. Again, same sort of thickness on the bottom. Nothing along this side, but you can see the sort of semi-translucent look there. You just see the SIM card through the side there. Cut out at the back for the cameras. Perfect. Just a tiny bit higher than the actual camera lens. So it will protect the camera lens if you lay this on its back. Lip protection. Now I've got a full glass screen protector. Let me move this out of the way. Bring it into focus for you guys. And you can see here there is some lip protection, but I have got a full glass screen protector applied. So with that, it becomes flush with the actual screen itself. But if I take this screen protector off, it will give you a little bit of lip protection, maybe 0.5 millimeter, something like that. But one good thing is it is compatible with full coverage glass screen protectors, as you can see there. If I can bring into focus, there we go. So it does work without lifting them up. Really feels nice actually. You can tell it's an OEM case, really nice. Now let's have a quick look at, and it's not slippery feeling. You know how some of these kind of cases are slippery? For the type of case it is, it feels real premium. Real premium. Doesn't interfere with usage. Really nice. If you drive in your car a lot, work in an office, have a suit, that sort of thing, then this is a pretty good option for you guys. Pretty good option. Here's the actual car mount. Now this feels fairly heavy, substantial. That's metal. That's plastic. You've got these two little pincers here and they open and close the little jaws. So you press it down, put it over your, actually let's bring this in. Push it down, put it over your grill or whatever. That's too thick. And then let go and it clamps down on the grill. This is completely, you can rotate it however you want. It's got a nice bit of Huawei branding there. This is soft touch. You can feel the Huawei branding just slightly there, but it feels pretty nice. Really does feel, it's a good quality car mount actually. So if I drop it on there, instant grab. That's gonna hold your phone beautifully. If you're driving around the car in your car, perfect. So if I hold it like that, imagine that's clamped onto a vent now like this. I can just go. Turn the phone however I want. This all works seamlessly. Very strong magnetic mount. You could use that as a stand as well, I suppose, if you wanted to do that. What if you could work it this way? Will it work that way? Oh yeah, you can use it as a mount, as a stand in landscape as well as portrait mode. That's pretty sturdy. That's not going to fall over. It's a little on the expensive side. I think it was £29, something like that. But you get the whole car kit. You can buy this on its own without this. As I said, it is compatible with a full glass screen protector. Do I recommend it? Yes, if this is something, I think it's a little bit expensive personally, but I do still recommend it because of the added bonus of having a nice, good quality car mount with a good magnetic strength on it. And it isn't, and it's not slippery at all. The sides have got a nice bit of grip to them. It doesn't add any bulk to the phone either, which is something I really like. And there's no sharp corners, it's all smoothed off, just like the phone is. So it's very ergonomic in hand. It's not digging into my corner of my hand like some cases. Really nice. So I recommend it. As I said, it's a little bit on the expensive side, but you get what you pay for. And in this case, you definitely get what you pay for. If you haven't already checked it out, I reviewed the Spigen rugged armor. Check out my review of this. I've also reviewed this very thin minimalist case. I'll leave links for these now, here, and here somewhere. Click on those if you want to see the reviews of those. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss out the videos I produce and upload. And share this on all your social media. Helps me out, helps the channel grow. And use the links below in the description if you want to buy this. This text is saying take care, stay safe, and peace.